One reason for thousands congregating at Ramlila Maidan was the instant connect with the issue, corruption. A menace part of everyday life, a disease decaying the system. Here were a few voices.
We have removed the corruption from India.
Strive together to turn Dream India reality. We have to fight against the corruption.
We are all supporters for Anna Hazare. Anytime, every time, you are with Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare! Anna Hazare! Anna Hazare!
If we go to the village of this country, we will see how people are deprived and how people are facing the wrath of corruption today.
Have we elected you to give you license to indulge in corrupt practices for 5 years?
The message was clear. People were fed up of institutionalized corruption. Sparking off another debate. What had the people frustrated more? Was it the day-to-day corruption or the big-ticket scams like that exposed in 2G or the CWG cases?
It's very difficult to tell you which corruption has angered me the most. We have corruption in every bit of our lives.
Anna came at the right time. Anna came at a time where people were feeling a lot of frustration and not finding a channel to express it. And also Anna's particular personality traits are very helpful. First is he is very stubborn in his resolve to get things done, and when that stubbornness is for something positive, people don't see it as stubbornness, they see it as determination.
Well, the focus here, I think, was always and is always big ticket corruption. Unfortunately, it's not that I'm approving it. Unfortunately, the common man has been used to and has been menaced and is continuously harassed by corruption at his lower level of his daily existence. Now, that is something, yes, that needs to be eradicated, but that is something that cannot be eradicated unless you cleanse the system as a whole. The hafta that a police constable takes has a share that goes up to the highest level in a state. So therefore, the point is, I think this is a distinction that is not tenable, ki lower level or higher level. But what really moved the people this time was this obnoxiously huge amounts of money that were involved. Now, 1,76,000 crores in the 2G scam, 2 lakh crores estimated in that ISRO scam, and your Commonwealth Games scam. I mean, you're talking of humongous amounts. And this is what has scandalized, and rightly so, scandalized the whole people. That means there's no dearth of resources in India.
I will request you to
The government ended the latest impasse by passing a resolution and vowed to send all versions of the Lokpal bill to the Parliamentary Standing Committee, forcing Team Anna to call it a battle only half won.
Of course, they will call everybody, including Aruna Roy, including Jayaprakash Narayan, etc., to come and depose before the committee. But they would certainly be bound by what the Parliament has told them, that these three issues, that is the Lokayuks in the states, the Citizens' Charter and grievance redressal, as well as the inclusion of the lower bureaucracy, these must be there in the bill. On the remaining issues, I think there is to a very large extent a consensus.
What we've actually done is they have asked for one institution. We've talked about multiple institutions. We also feel that if you create a very large Lokpal which has all oversight over the rest of the government, all the three wings of government, it can become by itself so powerful that adage we have in English, power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely, might be the end result of that. And then who oversees the oversight organization? Who oversees the Lokpal? They say that Supreme Court will oversee Lokpal and Lokpal will oversee the Supreme Court. It's a circularity which can lead to and probably will lead to collusion.
The trouble is, we have shaken them on the problem, the remedy being promised. I don't agree with it. Yes, we need a Lokpal. Let me clarify. We need a Lokpal, but not of the Jan Lokpal variety. B, we need this movement, this momentum. We need this avalanche to get us the 4 or 5 things which are necessary to change before we can get rid of corruption.
So we have said that what we need is one powerful agency that looks after the top level corruption, which is essentially collaborative corruption, where deals are made. And they need a special kind of investigation and concentration. And they will be able to take anyone else co-accused along and look at that investigation. For the remaining 43 lakh odd government servants of the central government, we believe that the Central Vigilance Commission and Chief Vigilance Officer with an independent investigating agency can serve as an appellate body.
As these versions head to the Standing Committee Chief's table, he has on him not just a burden of legacy, but also a billion expectations.
I certainly would not like to look behind. I think it's regressive. It's quite pointless actually. It's good to discuss history and to know about it. Yes, the first draft was in 68. Yes, the words were coined even earlier in 63. But what's the point of looking back? Lamenting, breast beating on the past. It's much better that we now have a pace, a direction and a content. And the pace and the direction and the content are likely to coalesce in the fairly proximate future. So let's feel positive about that and try to make that draft as good as possible.
I was born in a politician's family, so I've seen the political class from very close. Never underestimate their capacity to ferret what they need to do to survive.
No, now there will be a report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee which would thereafter be considered by Parliament, and Parliament would have to pass the bill with whatever amendments etc. So to my mind there is no constitutional problem in any of the proposals in the Jan Lokpal bill.
Overall mood in the country will not pardon anyone if that anyone is seen to be tardy in coming up with a bill. All right. So there are ways and ways of fast tracking this entire procedure in the Standing Committee and the debate in the House. And I think that during the winter session, you will get the recommendations which are debated, and in all likelihood, you will get a fairly robust bill.